Dear students, Jai Hind. As you know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree, this implies pi by 2 radian is equal to 90 degree. Now see here, this is 0 degree or 0 radian. This is 90 degree, that is pi by 2 radian. This is 2 pi by 2, that is pi radian. 0, 1, 2, 3, this is 3 pi by 2. 4 pi by 2, that is 2 pi. 5 pi by 2. 6 pi by 2, that is 3 pi. 7 pi by 2. 8 pi by 2, that is 4 pi. 9 pi by 2. 10 pi by 2, that is 5 pi. 11 pi by 2. 12 pi by 2, that is 6 pi, and so on. If you continue rotating, your angle become more and more. In trigonometric functions, valuation depend on final position, not rotation. Now if you see these numbers form AP with first term pi by 2, common difference 5 pi by 2 minus pi by 2 is equal to 4 pi by 2, that is 2 pi. Complete rotation is 2 pi radian. If you apply formula for SN learned in class 10, you will find that this point can be written as 2n pi, even pi. You see here 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, that is even pi. This point can be written as 2n plus 1 pi, that is odd pi. 2n plus 1 pi. This point can be written as 4n plus 1 pi by 2, and this point can be written as 4n plus 3 pi by 2. Now if you write 4 symbols A, B, C, D, then A, B, C, D has 4 names. Point A, that is this point, is 2n pi. B is 4n plus 1 pi by 2. C is 2n plus 1 pi. D is 4n plus 3 pi by 2. Now combined name of A and C is n pi. If you add odd and even both, it becomes natural pi or integral pi. Here n is integer. Here n is integer. Positive or negative, no matter, both are applicable. So combined name of A and C is n pi, and combined name of B and D, that is vertical point, is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. By putting the value of n from 0, you will find these points. For instance, check any point. If you put n is equal to 0, here you will find simply pi by 2. If you put n is equal to 1, you will get 4 plus 1, 5 pi by 2. If you put n is equal to 2, 4 2 is 8 plus 1, you will get 9 pi by 2. But if you put here n is equal to 0, you will get simply pi by 2 this point. And if you put n is equal to 1, you will get 2 1 is 2 plus 1, 3 pi by 2 this point. If you put n is equal to 2, you will get 2 2 is 4 plus 1, 5 pi by 2 this point. If you put n is equal to 3, then 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 pi by 2 this point. This shows that this expression considers both points, upper and lower vertical points, and this expression considers both horizontal points, odd pi and even pi both. If you put n is equal to 0 here, 0, 1 pi, 2 2 pi, 3 3 pi, clear? So this is naming of points useful in finding values of trigonometrical angles operating on angles greater than 90 or 180. Thank you.